This is YFM-M34LT the auto metal chain lacquering and ironing machine. Now we are going to test this machine and teach you how to operate this machine. First of all, please switch on the main power, and you will see here has the lights on. If this lights on is correct, normal. This one is one line, power line disconnect. This one is the power line, mixing. They are not correct. You have to move the line. And this one is unbalanced power. So this one is normal. You have to make. If the power is wrong, you have to move until this lights on. After that, please switch on the machine's main power. And please release the stop. And here has a speed adjustment. It's control the machine speed. Normally you set up the 30 to 50. Okay, the standard we set up 30. And please switch on the fan switch. You will hear the fan motor is running. And please switch on the heating switch. Okay, and switch on the fan switch too, heating switch too. If you want to do the waxing, please switch on the waxing box, the heating switch. And here, the lights switch is control the lights on. For the temperature control, the first temperature controller, one is control the first woven. Normally we set up the 110 degree. And the temperature control 2 is control the second woven. It set up this 145 degree. Okay, so here after the setting you have to wait the temperature until the temperature reach. And before you start the machines, you also need to adjust the waxing device. If you want to do the waxing, you have to put the wax into the wax box, and you need to adjust the temperature. It's around 100 degrees. Okay, if you don't want to use it, you can switch off and switch off from the panels. Once the temperature is reaching, okay, you can adjust the lacquer device. First of all, you have to make it higher to make the wheel touch the lacquer and fix. Second, you have to make the wheel no moving. Okay, no moving, and here becomes 0. You have to adjust to 0. Okay, like this, 0, and you need to adjust the 0.05 millimeters distance. Okay, and it can move like this, and you can adjust the height of the wheel to make the wheel touch the teeth. Second device also do the same, fix and check is 0, and then you can move 0.07 millimeters, and you check the wheel is moving or not. It's okay, and make the teeth touch the wheel. Touch the wheel. Okay, just touch the wheel. Then you need to adjust another side. Move up and fix, and adjust the wheel. Touch becomes 0, and move. Fix the wheel becomes 0, and move to 0.05. Okay, and it's moving, and make the wheel goes up to touch the teeth. Okay, and this is another side. Make a 0 and move to 0. And adjust for 0.07 millimeters distance. Okay, and make the wheel goes up, touch. Okay, after that There is the waxing device. The waxing device also need to be touched once the temperature is reaching. So you need to make the wheel is touching the chain. Okay. And once it's ready, you can switch. You can press the start button. The machine will be auto running. If you iron the light color of the tape, here has the door. You can open, make it open a little bit to make a cool wind get inside. This is the wind control. Okay, you can adjust according to your request. If you want to check zippers, you can clamp from here. And then once you see, this is the first time lacquer attached. Once the lacquer attached, it revise and no touching, and attach again and revise and get into the woven. Okay. And this is the second lacquering device. This is the lacquering result. It's an antique silver color. We do the lacquering and you can see it's shining. And please note, here is tension control. We will give you the wheels. If you want more tension, you can put the wheels on the wheel and it will become heavier. Okay, this is the wheels. You can take it out and put it on. And this is the waxing device. For the lacquering wheels, this one is good for number 5 and number 8. It also can work with number 3. But if you want to do the lacquering for the teeth hand, we have a special wheel. You have to change it. Okay, and this one is for number 3 and 5 only. You have to check the teeth distance. This is flat. This is with the outstanding ankle. Okay. A bone master is teaching you how to operate this machine. And please note, here has the remote control. You can make it stop or make it on. Okay? And we finished the machinery testing.